Oh, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Uphold account. Now there are a couple of methods and let's get straight into it. The first method is to add funds via bank transfer. So if you're going to use bank transfer, here's how to do it. First thing you got to do is to log into your Uphold account. Then you want to click on add funds or deposit, and then you want to select bank transfer as the funding method, and then of course enter the amount that you want to deposit. Choose your bank account, or you can just add a new one right there, and then you got to review the transaction details and confirm. Now once that's done, Uphold will provide you with a reference number and instructions to complete the bank transfer. Now the second method is to add funds using your debit or your credit card. Now what you want to do here is to first of all log into your Uphold account, and then you got to click on add funds or deposit, and then you want to select debit card or credit card as your funding method this time. Now you can enter the amounts that you want to deposit, and then enter your debit or credit card information, then review the transaction details and confirm. And once that's done, Uphold is going to process the transaction and add the funds to your account. Now the third method is to add funds via cryptocurrency. So how you want to do this is to first log into your Uphold account, then you want to click on add funds or deposit, and then you gotta select cryptocurrency as the funding method this time. Now you want to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. That could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever. And then what you want to do is to just enter the amounts that you want to deposit, and then send the cryptocurrency to the Uphold wallet address provided. Now once that's done, Uphold is going to process the transaction, and of course they're going to add the funds straight to your accounts. Now the fourth method is to add funds through other payment methods. So what you want to do here first is to log into your Uphold accounts, and then you got to click on add funds or deposit, and then this time you want to select other payment methods as the funding method. Now you're going to choose the payment method that you want to use. That could be PayPal, Apple Pay, or whatever. And once that's done, you want to enter the amounts that you want to deposit, and after this you just follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Now a couple of tips and reminder for you guys. The first is to check the fees. So of course you gotta review the fees that are associated with each of the funding methods. That could be from the other funding methods. It could be direct deposit, it could be credit card or debit card. You got to check the fees that's associated with each one. So you basically are getting the best fees. And then the second is to ensure accurate information. So you want to double check the accuracy of your funding information, just to avoid any issues, because if you got any information incorrect, you're not going to be able to use that funding method. So you got to make sure that you have the accurate information there. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps it out so very much. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.